Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product which is known as Puppy Dex. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here we are on the website. You can check out Puppy Dex, the fun and community driven meme coin. Join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. Powered by AI, a token built by AI and ambition. You can check out the logo is really well designed. No taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, no burn or redistribution fees. You can check out the pre-sale is going to start on the PINKSALE. We can check it later into the video. No code, no funds, no team. A coin made by AI for public. Puppy Dex isn't backed by a company or anonymous chats. It's powered by something more honest, ambition and AI. With no prior blockchain experience, this project was built step by step using GPT guidance, smart contract creation, tokenomics design, website and branding, community and SAFU standards, continuous improvements. So now let's check out their pre-sale page, and here we are on the PINKSALE, and you can check out the pre-sale will start in almost 4 days and 13 hours. It's deployed on Binance Smart, and you can check out the social media handles are given here. You can see the soft cap is 25 PNB and hard cap is 100 PNB. Also the pre-sale rate and listing rates are given here. Start and ending time are shown here. Listing will be done on PancakeSwap and unsold tokens will be burned. Liquidity percentage is 70% and liquidity lockup time is 365 days. Down here you can also check out the tokenomics of the product. So now coming back to the website, you can check out a community token. Puppy Dex is a community driven meme inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transaction fees and fixed supplies, Puppy Dex offers and a strong emphasis on community involvement, aiming to build a lasting decentralized ecosystem. Mission and vision are shown here. You can check out a mission statement as well. Puppy Dex aims to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in a fun, community-driven ecosystem. Our mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial rewards without transactional barriers or centralization. You can check out their vision as well to establish Puppy Dex as a leading meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities as well. Down here you can check out a contract address. It's deployed onto the Binance Smart Chain. The Puppy Dex media details are given here. You can check out the logo as well. So guys, make sure to do some own research as well. This product is looking really good according to me, so make sure you do some own research as well, and if you like, you can participate in the pre-sale and take it into the early stages. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon, so till then, take care and have a nice day.